So most people cut these chunks up the way it's sitting on the ground right now. I just want to show you, this is a 572 XP Husqvarna good size saw, how much it will struggle to cut it this way, and then I'll show you cutting it the other way. Even with that big saw, you struggle to cut them this way, and you look at the sawdust, and it's literally like a skill saw, and that's a sharp chain that's on that. So I'm going to do this piece and show you how much better when you go with the grain that it works. Show you how much difference the chips look. Even a small saw will do that, but the bigger saw you got, the better off you are. I showed you even with a sharp big saw how difficult this is and how long it would take. So you always want to roll it and cut with the bark. That's the best way to remember. That took about 5 minutes, and it's going to be a lot easier to pick up.